This is the new trending rotating zoom effect. And guess what? We are going to do it in a Filmora, so keep watching. The very first thing is to drag down your footage down into the timeline. And then you select the very first clip and go to the speed ramping, and then go to the custom speed. Now you can copy this style of a speed ramping that I'm creating right now. Now that I have this speed ramping on this very first clip, I just have to set it onto the custom so that I'll be able to put the same speed ramping on other video clips. There you are. Now you have your clips in the timeline with this kind of a same speed ramping effect. So next, let's look at how to create the rotate zoom effect. For that, change these clips to compound clips. Now let's add the zoom. I create a keyframe at the start with a value of 100. Then go to the end and change it to something like 160. Alright, then let's adjust the key graph. First, I bring this keyframe to this position. So open the key graph. And adjust the graph like this. Alright, the zoom in is complete. Next, let's add rotation. So go to the start and create a keyframe on rotate. Then go to the end and change it to about 20. Select the rotation keyframe in the graph and adjust the key graph like this. Now we've completed the rotate zoom effect. Next, you can add some blur for smoothness. Go to the Effects tab and search for Rotate Blur and add it to the layer. Then go to the Effect settings. And here we're going to use blur intensity for this. So first, go to the start and create a keyframe. Then go to the middle of the clip and change it to 0. Then go to the end and change it to the default value. After that, adjust the key graph like this. Now we've completed the rotate zoom effect. Next, let's apply this effect to the other clips as well. Alright, then take a copy of these effects and paste it like this. After that, adjust the keyframes like this. And that's it. That's how you create a rotate zoom effect in Filmora. And thanks, buddy, for watching this video to this very point. And until I meet you in the next episode, peace.